Hello, my name is Cody Kaler, and I am currently seeking my educational leadership degree from Fort Hays State University. I am seeking this degree because I have a passion for helping students and even helping other teachers succeed. I am just now in my second year teaching, but I realize this is something I want to do through observing my great administrators that I currently have at the high school in which I teach, in Goddard High School near Wichita. My background supporting my degree selection would be I've always been one that likes to try to lead and try to help others. So I feel like this would be a great way for me to be able to do that further than just my teaching position currently, to hopefully impact even more people in a positive way and help them help others. I really truly believe in service and investing yourself into your community, and whether that be school, personal life, community, etc. My strengths and weaknesses with regards to school finance. Currently, being a second year teacher, I'm not super up to date on everything that's going on with school finance, especially in Kansas nowadays. However, from a financial background, I did take some accounting classes in high school and college, so I feel like I'm decently prepared for actually working with numbers from a financial budgeting aspect. I would definitely have to learn more when it comes to things that go into a budget dealing with schools, but I'm hoping to do that through a good relationship with my current administrators right now. My weaknesses would obviously be my lack of experience and my lack of knowledge, but I'm hoping to change that through this course and through becoming more informed on what's going on in the state of Kansas and the United States as it pertains to school budgets and school finance. I'm really excited for this course. Really kind of have a niche for trying to learn things about finance. So I'm excited to see the workings of it and how I can best help my school in the future as an administrator. Thank you.